Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today I have the Ellish Box April 2019 edition to unbox and review in this video. Ellish is one of the most awaited boxes every month because of three reasons mostly. First, it's very affordably priced at just Rs 399 including shipping. Secondly, they always send really good brands and even some luxury and international brands. And thirdly, we always have the total worth much higher than the price of the box, which makes it really value for money. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me. So this is how the Ellish box looks like as usual, and it is a sealed pack. Once we open, we have the info card and all the products have come very nicely bubble wrapped. So let's go through them one by one. So the first product is from the brand Manna Kadar. As you all already know, it's a luxury international brand and this product itself costs around 1500 rupees. So getting it in a box so affordable is definitely great. And this one is a bronzer highlighter combo. It's great that it's a sealed pack. So this is how it looks like. Beautiful shades. There's a champagne highlighter and there's a beautiful brown. So this brown will be a nice bronzer for most fair to medium skin tones, not for very dark skin tones, but you can use it as an overall bronzing effect even if you have a dusky skin like me. Let me give you guys a swatch. The pigmentation is awesome, and that is a swatch of both. Many of you have been asking me to give a swatch. So this has a silvery champagne kind of highlight, and this is a very nice goldeny bronze shade. So I think this one will be a very nice natural eyeshadow shade as well. So those are the two colors and everybody will be receiving the same shades. Then next we have a huge product. It's from Chem Caffeine and it's a Choco Caffeine Face Scrub with Argan Oil. Exfoliate, hydrate and glow for dry skin. It's 100 gram full size and these are more details about the brand. The cost of this is 399 rupees, the cost of the box itself, and it's used before 12/2020, freshly manufactured in January 2019. And here are all the ingredients mentioned along with the directions for use. If you want, you can pause and go through it. It definitely has some very good ingredients. And here are the claims of the product. So this is something that I've already used. I got it in another box or bag. I think it was in Zo bag for the April edition itself. And I actually did like it. Chem Caffeine products are usually good. I like their products mostly. So this is also a good product from a good brand. Next we have a product from the brand Kamakshi and it's their Vertiver Water Face and Body Mist. It is a 1 ingredient steam distilled product. So it's 100% pure and natural, 50 ml size. In the ingredients it has 100% pure distilled Vertiver water. So it's a very simple 1 ingredient product and those products are actually really good for you. And here are the details mentioned, what are the uses and what are the benefits of a Vertiver water and how to use it. You can use it as a toner, as a mist. It will balance the pH and it will also help in skin tightening and pore reduction, etc. So definitely a good product. Looking forward to trying this one. It's for 230 rupees and 12 months from manufacture, which is Feb 2019. It has a simple packaging. It's a sealed pack again. And the fragrance is quite soothing. It's not like a floral fragrance, it has some herbal kind of fragrance, but it is a kind of nice. I did like it. Then next we have this rosemary bath salt by the brand Ihara. It's a bath and food soak and just look at how pretty it looks. I really like such huge crystals of bath salts. I mean, I personally love just looking at them and they have such nice fragrance and I love bath salts as such. I really enjoy them a lot. So here are more details on the directions for use and the product benefits, etc. So the benefits are mentioned here. It's a good product. I did like it. MRP is 200 rupees and the manufacturer expiry is not mentioned, but since it's a bath salt it will have good expiry and it's a single time use or maximum 2 time use product. So I am not concerned about that. Smells like camphor and something floral as well. Okay, so it's a rosemary fragrance actually. It's not the rose fragrance, it's a rosemary fragrance which actually smells like rosemary essential oil. And then the final product is by the brand Bio Ayurveda. It's a complete care renewal eye cream for deep hydration and luminescence. Cost of this is 919 rupees guys, and it's again a expensive product because eye creams are usually a bit expensive. And here are the claims of the product. It's 100% pure organic synthetics free product, and I'm not finding the ingredient list here. I believe it will be there on their website, so I'll check it out for myself, but let me show you guys how it looks. Okay, so it's a very thick cream, as an eye cream should be. It does not have much of a fragrance. It's a very mild fragrance. So for people who are 30 plus in age, or if you're even 25 plus and you're staying in a metro city, you should start using products like eye cream, etc., so that you can actually prevent your wrinkles before they actually start showing up in your face. So those are all the products that we got in the April 2019 edition, and the theme is the spring edition. These are all the pricing details mentioned. Again, out of 5 there are 4 exclusive products, and the total worth is 3,255, which is almost like 10 times what you're paying, which is 399 including shipping. So definitely worth it, value for money, and most of these brands are good. Then we have this 25% off code as well from the brand Kamakshi. My personal favorites will be, of course, the Manna Kadar product and this Chem Caffeine chocolate scrub. I love both of these. I'll definitely be using the bath salt because I love bath salts. I might not use this eye cream because I have quite a lot of eye creams, and honestly you just need a very tiny bit of eye cream every day, so I cannot go through them easily. But if you don't use the eye cream, or if you don't have eye cream, this is really expensive and quite a good one, I believe. So definitely worth trying, and this is also a good product because it's just one ingredient and with good benefits. So that was all for today's review. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below, and if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.